Hi guys, this is 2000 the Ford Falcon AU. So I'm going to do today for replacement for the shocker. So you can see here this shocker is a badly oil is leaking. So I got the aftermarket from Trekkers one. We're going to replace to that one. So we have to first undo it is the air cleaner housing over this part, and we have to go to the access in here. We have 17.3 mil the shocker top bolt. So I'm going to first undo this air duct, then have a look. So you can very easy access now in here. We have to undo this 17 mil bolt. And this one is 14 and 15. Leave like that. So then after tight 18 mil bolt, so after that we have to install the top bolts 17 mil. So we already installed the air duct, and we tightened all 17 mil bolt, and here we put the new strut. All good. We have to do the put back in the tire. That's it. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.